If I told you the reason my content is more smarter, the reason my videos are more clear, the reason I'm more confident, I'm consistent, I come every day, is not just me. What if I told you AI is behind the scene? AI is working behind everything that you see here. Would you believe? Can you believe I post twice or once on YouTube? I post various posts on Facebook. I post on TikTok. And above all, the secret is I don't have one channel. Do you know the reason? I don't want to miss any single month without earning. So if I don't earn from A this month, I'll earn from B. And in fact, if I earn together monthly, it's so cool. Do you know what is working behind this? I told you it's AI tools. AI tools are doing more than me. They are more than a personal assistant. They are more than the friends that you want them to come and engage you. Today's secret, I'm opening it up. Most of you have been telling me, Tina, Immaculate, keep it up. You're so wonderful. You come every day. It's not me. Can I give you a secret? The secret is not me. It's AI tools that are working behind my scenes. I'm going to be showing you 5 powerful AI tools that completely changed my content monetization, that completely changed my content scheduling, that changed my content optimization. In fact, the whole journey changed. And this can be for you. I'm not that greedy. I always tell you, with content creation, with making money online, there is no competition. No, it will depend on what you give people. It will depend on how you take things. So we are going to be looking at the 5 powerful AI tools that have made my life more easier as far as content creation and posting and consistency is concerned. I don't know the AI tool that you're using, but if at all you know you're not using any of them, please, you can copy a leaf. Before I dive into this whole magic AI, I would love to put a disclaimer. This is a big disclaimer and bold it. I'm not trained to come and tell you that this is working, this is not working. I'm not here to ruin you and I tell you that the moment you use this AI, you're going to be a millionaire. No. I'm bringing for you tips that are like 2 to 10% true. So if you combine these tips, you go and research, it becomes an educational video. In a nutshell, this is educational video. So you take it, go and expand it, think about it, practice it, research. When you find it works for you, it is going to be. You guys, do you know there are these people that have been engaging our videos from 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, yesterday, today? I love you so much. I love you. And I always love you. Thank you. I come before, I come after, and I come tomorrow because of you. And for the subscribers, please subscribe. Don't only stop on subscribing. Put these things in practice. Research and do them. Let's dive in and see. The first one, I'm giving it 100 out of 100. That is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my brain. I can say it is my brain. Because what I do, I feel it. When mine goes blank, it takes over. When my brain is down, it says, hi babe, I'm here. Don't be blank. Even when it has made me lazy, in other words. So from writing video scripts, from ideas, captions, hooks, even this hook you saw in this video, it was ChatGPT. So hooks, content that makes you keep watching longer, it is ChatGPT. Before, I used to come, I got to introduce myself. I got to tell you about my relation. I got to tell you about my subscribers, my what, no. But ChatGPT told me, please, email. People don't, okay, money is not among your personal things, about talking about yourself, who are you, where you came from. No, money is in what you're giving people. In other words, money is in value. Is it variable that you're giving? Now, ChatGPT stepped in and started giving. It gets my idea. After getting my idea, it says, yeah, I see you. Because ChatGPT knows me. I don't know whether it knows you. ChatGPT knows me. It knows how generous I am. It knows how much I'm hungry to make money. And it knows how much I'm eager to make you make the money. So it composes it. It makes me be consistent. It makes me even, be more creative. I wasn't like this before. I was just a dummy. I would come and say, hi, my name is Immaculate. Welcome to this channel. No, it has made me creative. So give it a clap. Kudos to ChatGPT. The second one is Gemini. But what can I talk about Gemini? Gemini, I'm giving it also 100 out of 100. Yes, it helps me think deeper. Whether I'm researching, whether I'm brainstorming, whether I'm making content, any angle of my content, it even refine my ideas, because if I put something, it will tell me, no, do it like this. It gives me a fresh perspective that makes content stand out. You guys just clap for Gemini, because it's Gemini that makes me be outstanding. It's Gemini that makes me get the CPM or RPM of 34, 35, 45, 41, when others are getting $2. So Gemini is one of them. It makes me think deep, 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 and refrain and brings the perspective of my ideas and puts them how they are supposed to be. It is beyond my brain. Okay? And I come to the third one, you guys. It is Canva AI. Did you notice? These days my thumbnail have changed? Have you seen it? Please, if you know you have seen it, put it in the comment section. My thumbnail have changed very, I can say 99%. Even me, when I look at them, I say, oh, wow, that is the work of Canva. Canva, it designs my thumbnails with stress-free. You see, I'm doing a video, but later I'm going to say, please, thumbnail, please, Canva, create for me a post, create for me a thumbnail. I want this visual. I want, in a second, not even in a minute. Please, I need it clean. I'll need it professional. This one is my professional background. But with thumbnail, I'll tell it, please put for me a better thumbnail, a better background than this. Eye-catching. A thumbnail that has a high CTI, without even me going to spend money that I used to spend before. Before, I used to spend $1.5 per day on thumbnail. But now I spend money to get a premium thumbnail. That's all for the whole month. Thumbnail, I mean, Canva, give it a thumbs up. We go to the most amazing one, CapCut AI. Did you see how my shorts, especially on TikTok, on Facebook, are becoming more clear, more intriguing? They are standing out. So it helps me edit videos fast and smooth. You guys, like this one, this video did not take it will not take even a minute being edited, and it can put me captions. I don't need to struggle. It even refills, it removes the fillers. It makes the video become more smoother. And now, you guys, it has made me become not lazy, but creative and stress-free. I'll be giving you the last one shortly. It is called 11 Lab. This is AI voice. It is AI voice tool. So sometimes I don't need to record my voice. I record the video like this one. You'll get video, then I put write-ups and what the tool creates everything, and you'll think it is me talking. So guys, the truth is the content is no longer about doing everything alone. It's about working smart. These tools didn't repress my creativity. Never. You always see me creative. They amplified it. Start where you are. Do what you can do best. There is money in social media. There is money online. There is money in content. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you know you have not liked this video, please like it, comment, and share it to your friends. Love you.